Somebody here? What the hell? I thought you said you was sick.
I got the suds, but I'm here to work.
The suds? Oh God, no, stay away.
Got that Rona.
Oh. Man, y'all look at this handsome hunk right here. Poor dude hit me up, said he was sick, wasn't feeling good, said he was just gonna kick it at the house for the night. And then, all of a sudden, I get this text message. Y'all check it out.
Alright, Diggin. I know what I said earlier. I said I was tired, I wasn't feeling too good today, and I gotta leave to go out of town for the next 3 days for work. Man, I was sitting there on the couch, laying down with my feet propped up, watching you struggling, watching you working on the truck, trying to make it. Said, Austin, if you're watching this video, I need your help. Man, I jumped up, put my blue jeans on, slapped my boots on, and we on the way.
Help is on the way, dear! This is Delphi! Help is on the way!
Oh, come on now.
What we gotta do?
Well, I got this done.
Well, that's nice.
That really wasn't that bad. I just rode the struggle bus for like an hour, cranking that on there by myself.
Is that diff done yet?
No, we got to put the leaf springs back in. That's the struggle bus. But hey, look, we're gonna get some ratchet straps. We ain't gonna do it.
Come on.
All right.
Come on.
All right, let's go.
Come on.
5 minutes, and you see, pal, you've been here 5 minutes, and you've already read my mind. This is exactly where I was going before I called it a night last night. This is where I was headed.
Adapt and overcome.
Adapt and overcome. Look at this. So we got one screwdriver boy, one ratchety boy,
and one dumb boy right here.
Maybe a pair of them. Yeah, so again, the problem is trying to get the leaf spring eyelet lined up with the frame eyelet. You think it was? Come on with it, I'm gonna film it. I'm gonna let you do the work this time. Oh yeah, she's coming.
Is it?
She's coming, boss.
Hold on. You're the ratchet strap operator around here.
Listen, you just keep ratcheting, pal. Uh-oh, make sure I'm not gonna fall off.
Oh, I don't. You get that on video.
Well, we have jack stands in wood. Surely we'll be fine.
Is it moving?
It is moving. All right, now let me go pump up on the jack a little bit.
All right, let's do it.
Maybe I can just set that camera right there, and it'll watch us in action. How about that?
Oh, I think we got to go a little bit more on the hammer. That might be pretty close right there.
Hey, look at there.
I'll be.
Almost, anyhow. They don't give you very much stroke room down here. But I never have worked with very much.
I've had that problem a whole lot.
Oh, pal, we are very close. Very, very close. See how close it is, folks? Very, very close. By golly, old Austin, old pal, we got one side done. One side to go. Don't forget your screwdriver back there. That was the key ingredient.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, you know. Whoa! Easy. Jesus Lord. Got her in.
Can't go nowhere now.
Got her in. Bolted her in. Gotta get on that side now.
Do it.
All right, round 2 fight.
Finish him. All right, take that.
I got her up yonder, pal. That's what we're doing. This is real deal science. All right, it's an exact science at that. We have got the leaf spring needs to come forwards. The bolt hole is not far forward enough to get the bolt through. So we've got to get the leaf spring moved forwards, and to do that, we are doing some precision tension increasing. Tension. We have a tension acquisition device right here, and we are acquiring some tension, which in turn moves the leaf spring eyelet forwards. And to acquire this, we had to use a flat leverage bolt turning device known as a screwdriver through the back shackle to have something to hook onto. Right now, we're pretty close front to back, but the leaf spring's got to go higher, so we're going to have to take this lever boy out of here.
Our shim boy?
Yeah, we got one adjustable shim boy here. Oh, too high.
God.
Too high. Oh, I think I can get her, pal.
Get it in there.
I think I got her right there, pal. Look at there. Look at there. First try. Well, I can't say first try. I tried a lot yesterday. First try today.
Tension coming off.
All right, do the tension delete mod. There we go. That's her. Tension deleted.
You're going on to the next round.
Yeah.
When you made it and you won your first round, and then you get kicked out the second round, but it's okay because you just think about all this hard work that you did to make it to the race, just to make it to the gate.
Yeah.
That's the stuff I think about.
Yeah.
That's the stuff that keeps me going.
I literally said it yesterday that there's you know, the struggle to get to the race is just as important as the race itself.
Yeah, this is the stuff you think about even when you don't win.
Yeah.
Like you might not bring home the big check or anything, but this is stuff that I like.
Yeah, this is the race anyway stuff. The just hustle.
Yep.
They keep digging.
That's the stuff I enjoy.
Well, we got a lot more to enjoy, so
Well, come on, let's go.
So bada bing, bada boom. We got the rear end in. Thank you, Austin, once again for stopping by and helping me. Even though you got a million other things going on, you got to get your butt out of town, yada, yada, yada. You don't feel good, you got the suds. Hopefully you didn't give that to me. If you did, I'm going to kick your tail. But thank you for helping me get that in. That is all buttoned up. Everything's ready to go there. Brakes are back on, shocks are on, VAS bars are set, or reset back where they were. Everything's back on, bolted up tight, ready to go. We got those tightened up. We got the freaking belt pulled on here. I got distracted earlier when you pulled up. Forgot to tell the folks about it. But there is the belt. The belt is on. We got it all routed up. Basically the factory way that an LS belt on a truck setup is supposed to go, where you go under this idler, over the alternator there, round and around, tons and tons of crank engagement. That's the tensioner right there, my finger's pointing at. 2 idlers, plenty of room, plenty of belt wrap around the crank like we said. Goes right around this spicy boy here, frosty boy. One frosty boy coming up. And dude, we are getting ready to rock and roll with that. I cannot wait. So boom, getting items on the checklist taken care of. We got the belt situation figured out. That was gonna be a big headache. I really didn't want to put that factory bracket back on, but it's what we had to do in order to make the race this weekend, and it's gonna work out fine. I'm super happy with the way it came out. Got the belt size just right, so happy with that. Got the rear end all buttoned up. That was 2 major obstacles to racing this weekend, and those are taken care of. Cannot understate how important this weekend is to get there. We want to race for Nick. We want to race the race for Brian. We want to show support for the Clocks On ordeal. We've got to find a way to get there, and happy to say that we got a lot of things done, taken care of tonight. So as always, I'm Digging Z71. My name is Dylan. Thanks for watching. Keep digging. We'll see you next time.